Today's empties. May empties a hair. Small batch, but ready to tell you what I got. Devotion Dolce and Gabbana paper sample. Done. Used it up. Next one is the DN sample is DNKY 24/7. Use this. The other one is Donna Karen Cashmere Mist. Used it. I like both smells. Gingham Bath and Body Works body lotion. Smells delicious. Don't eat it. Very nice, soft smell, but it is gentle. Will I repurchase? Will I repurchase? Yes. Next is the Pureology Professional Color Care Leave-In Treatment. Really nice. A little bit of this goes a long way. I have this for a while, but I rotate things. This works really good. Will I repurchase this? Yes, I will. Perfume. La Vie est belle. La vie est très belle. Done. I got this as a gift from one of my kids for Mother's Day last year, and it is done in May. Isn't that something? It's done. Will I repurchase? Not this one, not right now, because I just got a new one for Mother's Day. And until that's done, I will not purchase a full size. But this, heaven on earth. Baking soda and peroxide whitening Colgate toothpaste. I love using any whitening toothpaste because I drink lots of tea all day and lots of coffee. So these whitening toothpaste comes in handy. Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Will I buy this? Maybe when I have no more of my primers left, because this on my face and my foundation stayed in place, did not move. It just stayed there. Love this. CeraVe Healing Ointment, Skin Protectant, Non-Greasy Feeling. Done. I have this for a while. I had two, and I've used the first one already in an empty, and this is it. You can use this any part of your skin, lips, on your chest, elbows, the heel of your foot. You can use that anywhere and it will work really good. Will I repurchase? Yes. Next thing is my Mented Foundation Stick in M10. It is a declutter. I don't have much left, but it is smelling, so it's time to go. I know it's old. It smells bad, like bad. So I know it's time to go. So that's going. Makeup Revolution Primer, Sticky Eye Primer. This is so old. I have this for so long. It has finally come to the end. Will I repurchase? No, because I have lots of eye base. Next is my e.l.f. Berry Bodo. I don't even know if they make this anymore. This is old. It is finished, done. This is it. I like the shade. Berry shades are really nice on my skin tone, so I love it. Will I repurchase the lipstick? Not right now. I get them in my subscription box, and I have a lot. So that was good. Next is Jimmy Choo, and it's called I Want Choo. It's a sample size. When I tell you this smells heavenly, smells good. I have a little teeny bit stuck in the bottom. I gotta figure out how to get it out, but other than that, it's done. Will I purchase a full size? No, I like those samples a lot and they work well. Thank you all for watching. Please share this video. Remember, you are very, very important in this universe. Until I see you and you see me, keep rising above the negative and the chattering that's in your head. Rise above that. Seek help if you need to. And love yourself a little bit today. Just love on you a little bit today. Bye bye.